Hey, I'm Joselyn Burgess, Realtor with the Plowman team, and super stoked to take you on a tour of our home for sale, located here at 1087 Ormond, unit number 37. Let's check out how awesome this is. This home is perfect for the first-time buyer for so many reasons. First, we have a beautiful front porch, beautiful foyer with a hall closet. We have a fully unfinished basement for your finishing touches, powder room on the main, and a beautiful open concept kitchen overlooking the Eden area with access to your backyard. Also featured on the main floor is this beautiful living space. There's so many windows and it's so much natural light. The upper level features all new broadloom throughout. This is the primary bedroom with a walk-in closet, full 4-piece ensuite, and also on this floor are 2 additional bedrooms and another full bathroom. Thanks so much for taking this tour of our home for sale located at 1087 Ormond Drive. If you have any questions, call the number above and we'll be happy to help. And don't forget, click below, subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can keep up to date on all our homes for sale.